Yeah, see, a lot of us live in life without knowing exactly what happens on the other side, but I'm giving you an opportunity to see actually what goes on the other side of life. You might be living a different kind of life, I might be living a different kind of life. At the end of the day, we all die, we all go down, you know? Yeah, but in the opportunity that we have living the life, then it's always good. You teach me about your kind of life, I teach you about my kind of life, and maybe I can get a thing or two from you. You can get a thing or two from me, and hey, that's all. So hey, this is my crib. I've been living here for the past 8 months, you know, living here in this ghetto, in this crib for 8 months. All my work I've been doing in this place, right? I sleep here. This net got donated to me. This is where I do my studying, my work. See, I got some books over here. Yeah. Chakauka. Hebu ni check. Ndo nasumbua kwa. Oh. Huku kava ndo afanye kauka. Oh. Mambo poa. Nakwaje? Mambo vipi?